at Jurassic World, we provide unique, up-close encounters with our dinosaurs, helping to further your knowledge of these incredible creatures. Our chosen dinosaur for today's exhibit is called Blue.
Oh my god, it's
Blue is one of our top predators in the air pocket, the Velociraptor. If you would like a photograph of Blue, please make your way to the designated queue. Make sure to keep distance from Velociraptor and unpredictable animals. For your safety, please refrain from sudden movements, jumping, and reaching out towards Blue. Thank you for your understanding. Notice the distinct lines that run down the length of her body. Blue received her iridescent blue streaks through the DNA of an African black-throated monitor lizard, making her visually distinct from the other raptors here at Jurassic World. While most predators hunt alone, velociraptors are social hunters. Working as a team, raptors lure their prey into a false sense of security, allowing them to hunt prey much larger than themselves.
Contact you, kita pa.
Take their photograph, please stand on the designated safety line. Please refrain from sudden movements, jumping, and reaching out towards Blue. Thank you for your understanding. Jurassic World and is the leader of her pack. From a young age, Blue has demonstrated the ability to understand and execute specific commands. With an impressive sense of smell, Match that with the ability to run at speeds of 80 kilometers per hour, and this is one carnivorous creature you don't want to mess with. As an infant, Blue would show signs of empathy and compassion towards her trainers, a quality never exhibited in any of her Jurassic predecessors. Today's Dinosaur Showcase is brought to you by the Global Corporation. Tomorrow, today. From head to tail, a Velociraptor can grow to lengths of 4 meters long. Their enormous tail not only provides balance and reverse gravity, but is also used to stun their prey, making it impossible to escape. Did you know an adult Velociraptor has a bite force of up to 8,000 newtons? That's the equivalent to a large American alligator. The Velociraptor is a bipedal dinosaur. Their strong, powerful legs are made of pure muscle, allowing them to jump to heights of up to 5 meters. the contained area with caution. When it's your time to step forward, please move slowly to avoid startling the dinosaur. Take a look at the fierce Velociraptor jaw.